Hello and welcome to Learning and Technology. My name's Frank and I'm glad that you're here. So in this video, I'm going to answer a subscriber question. I had a subscriber that was watching my student orientation video for how to use Teams in a remote learning environment. And they mentioned that they had some students that were saying they were using a Mac computer and they couldn't find out where they could raise the hand feature. So I'm going to show you that quickly. So I use both PCs and Macs all the time. And I know that on this channel, I tend to do a lot of my demos with PCs. It's just because that's the machine I'm using, but I do have Macs, and I use Macs quite a bit myself for different programs. So if you ever need to see anything done on a Mac, let me know. I'm happy to demonstrate on a Mac. For the most part, certain Microsoft programs tend to work the same in both platforms. There's not massive differences between them, and where there are differences, as appropriate, I'll make videos. Anyways, subscriber question: how do I raise my hand on a Mac? If you want to subscribe, you could go ahead and do that. Hit the subscribe down below. I have lots of tips, tricks, and thoughts on technology and education. And if this is a useful video for you, please go ahead and hit the like button as well. This helps YouTube find an audience, basically, so that other people can benefit from the information. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so let's keep it super simple. I'm just going to go in. I've got communities here, so I've got the Microsoft Teams application downloaded. If I go into Chrome here and I go into Teams.Microsoft.com, this will come up with my web-based Teams. Underneath here, if I have not done so already, I'll have the option of downloading the Mac version of Microsoft Teams, which I like to do. Once I've downloaded it, I now have an application running Microsoft Teams. If I go in there to my classroom, I'll start a meeting up. So let's have a meeting. You'll see my microphone comes on with my headset. So on my Mac, I have to use a headset here. So I'm going to go Meet Now, and I'm going to mute my audio on the team, or on the meeting, just so I don't get any feedback. I can go into Chat. I can say things like, "Hello, everyone." So you have the chat, I have the share screen feature in here, I have the device settings by hitting the ellipse, and there it is right there, raise your hand. So I raise my hand, and I lower my hand, and my meeting organizer will see that. So if we're on the people here, you'll see there's only 2 of us in the meeting. Well, it's actually just me. So if I raise my hand, you'll see the hand pops up, goes down, pops up, goes down. So we'll go ahead and close that journal reminder. So again, my hand, oh, you'll notice the bar disappeared there. So if I don't see it, I just hover in this area and it comes back. So hand up, hand down. Okay, so there you go. So actually that was good that we saw that. You have to sometimes hover here in order for this function bar to come in. So again, there you go. Raising your hand on a Mac. Hope that was helpful. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like. We'll see you in the next videos.